August 13, 2025, Apple Valley does what they love to do, and that's to kill dogs and cats. They've killed all 4, 8, 12, 16 dogs today just for fun. And it's rumored that they're killing them for the glory of the 300-pound hook-nosed ogre. Every single one of these dogs. That was a beautiful one. These were all wonderful dogs. Yeah, the hook-nosed ogre, she loves killing. She loves it. She just loves killing. Just eating Big Macs and getting that ass as big as it can get. Killed them all. Got to keep this at 2 minutes because eBay is or whatever it is, fucking Scambay YouTube is taking forever. Nursing mama and puppies. That's the next one to get killed. Mercury is at San Jacinto Riverside. Very sad. All the cats, they kill them. Beautiful Rocky at Carson. We're at 139. $146. Here's a Roswell dog, I think. No, this one's San Bernardino. I don't see a name. But he's at San Bernardino. 2 minutes, gotta go. Killed them all.